Marketing departments love to use the term air conditioner because it sounds powerful and effective. When you are sitting in a sweltering room with sweat dripping down your neck, that word acts like a magnet for your wallet. But the Froza Portable unit is playing a different game entirely. It is vital to understand that this device is a personal evaporative cooler. It does not use the chemical refrigerants or the heavy compressors that your home system uses. It is essentially a high-tech fan that utilizes the power of water evaporation to drop the temperature of the air in its immediate path. This is a huge distinction, because a real air conditioner actually removes heat from a room and vents it outside through a hose. This little unit keeps all the air in the same space. It just makes it feel cooler as it hits your skin. Think about how you feel when you step out of a swimming pool on a breezy day. That chill you feel is evaporation in action. That is exactly what this device is doing on a smaller scale. It is a clever way to stay comfortable without watching your electricity meter spin out of control. However, there is a catch that often gets buried in the fine print. Evaporative cooling depends heavily on the humidity levels in your environment. If you live in a dry desert climate, this thing will feel like a gift from above. The dry air drinks up the moisture and the temperature drop is significant. But if you are in a swampy, humid area, the air is already full of water. It cannot take on much more. In those conditions, the cooling effect is much weaker. You might just end up feeling slightly damp instead of refreshed. This is why you see such mixed reviews online. One person thinks it is a miracle worker, while another person says it is just a glorified fan. They are both right. It just depends on where they live. You also have to consider the scale of your space. This unit is perfect for a desktop or a bedside table. It is meant to point directly at your face or torso while you work or sleep. It is not built to cool down an entire kitchen or a large living room. If you buy it thinking it will replace a window unit, you will be disappointed. But if you want something to keep you from melting while you are gaming or studying, it hits the mark. Safety-wise, it is a solid product. It is not a scam or a fire hazard as long as you keep it clean. You have to dump the water and wipe it down to prevent any mold or mineral buildup. It is a simple, honest machine once you strip away the hype. It gives you a localized zone of relief that is much better than a basic fan but not as intense as a full cooling system. If you go into the purchase with those realistic goals, you will likely be very happy with the results. It is about finding that middle ground between a cheap fan and an expensive power-hungry AC unit. It fills that niche perfectly for small spaces and tight budgets. Just keep those water tanks full and keep it close by for the best experience. It is not a miracle in a box, but it is a reliable tool for personal comfort when the sun gets aggressive. You just need to be smart about how and where you use it. Do not expect it to fix a heat wave for your whole house, but for your desk, it is a win. Using it effectively means keeping it nearby and perhaps adding some ice to the water tank to give the breeze an extra bite of cold. It is a straightforward solution to a common problem. Use it for your personal bubble and you will stay chilled all day long.